Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Andamos en estudios universales.
Otra vez.
Porque la otra vez no acabamos de recorrer todo. No alcanzaron a reconocerlo. Y ahora venimos un poco más temprano.
Yeah. Now we actually came early morning. Ni morning porque quería bajar como hasta el mediodía, pero de todos modos.
Pero es buena hora.
Yeah, es buena hora. I'm excited to try the other rides. I think there's like 2 new ones that todavía no nos subimos a.
Ahorita le recorremos.
Ahora vamos a entrar en el ride de los Minions. Este no vinimos ayer. No te me escondas. It's so funny how even the guys are dressed.
Don't try to find them.
We're just trying to keep things interesting.
Okay, just be still. Don't say any more words. Please honor my
Ahorita
dog.
estamos
Say
preparando
hello,
para subir a otro juego.
Hello out there. Stop reading from the television.
Anyway,
Just a big bald teddy bear.
Yeah, and no way will he shoot you with a fart gun.
oh no.
Hey, it sounds like bananas.
Puedo haber subido mi abuelita, pero no de todos modos le hubiera dado mucho miedo.
Estaba chido, ¿eh?
Sí, este sí me gustó. Me sacó un grito.
Vamos a una foto ahorita con él. A ver que ya. Quería subir a este. Y ahí vamos, mire. Como niño chiquito.
A ver, usted me sirvió. ¿Cuál quieres? ¿De cuál te hago?
¿De cuál? ¿Qué pedo?
¿Sí saben qué son? No. ¿No? ¿Nunca vieron las películas de Harry Potter? ¿Sí? Pues estas son unas monas. Pero están pegadas.
What is your name? Martha, tell me. Do you already have your wand? Come with me. Stand right in front of my desk. Which hand is your wand hand? Right, I put it straight in front of you. I'm going to measure. Now, as you may or may not know, every wand here at Ollivanders contains a core of a powerful magical substance. We use unicorn hair, phoenix tail feathers, and of course the heartstrings of dragons. You may put your hand down, darling. Perhaps here. Wand of ivy. This wand is 13 inches long. Rather flexible. Try this, dear. Now with your knife. We've done it! The wand has chosen its mate.
Stay right where you are and take out a $1 bill. Now the reason why I've asked her for a $1 bill is because Sparky doesn't know her and may feel uncomfortable flying with someone that he has never met. As you can see in this clip from Evan Almighty, we train our birds to recognize and fly to a common object. Now it could be anything, but at the show, we use $1. Alright, getting that $1 out, perfect. Will you mind folding it in half for me? Fold it in half one more time. Place it between 2 of your fingers and put your arms straight out to the side. There you go. Sparky's gonna see that and know exactly where to fly. You can let it go, he's gonna put it right back. Into my pocket. Thank you, enjoy the show. Anybody over here with a $20 bill wants to work with Sparky? No, alright, we don't have anybody. Alright, we're gonna get that $1 back to you, stand back up for me. We're gonna make it a little bit easier on the bird this time. Put both arms out. That looks pretty good. You flapper hard, fly over here and get it. No, not for $1. Iris and Olympus are both Eurasian eagle owls. You would recognize them from the Harry Potter movies.
¿Se espantaron?
Ya.
¿Se espantaron?
Lisa Ann? I heard Lisa Ann. Am I wrong? What was that? Lisa. Okay, Lisa. Why are you so exclusive? She's not okay. Okay, I can sit with her. Her shirt is a lie. I can sit with her, guys. It's okay.
Thank goodness.
Right? I know, man. I was.
Good. Ryan, we ready to burn?
Ready.
Ready and action. Lighting. Good.
Vamos a los Transformers, nos vamos a subir ahorita.
No manches, le están ladrando la... Richie. Get him, Richie. Go, Richie. Go, Lulu. Go, Lulu. No manches, no puedo creer que le está ladrando la taza. ¡Es una taza! ¡It's okay, Lulu! Hoy vamos a comer esta dona, aunque se haya destruido un poquito, pero ahí está. Está bien grande. You know what they say, the bigger the better. ¿Verdad? ¿Verdad que sí? ¿Sí saben lo que dije? ¡Ay! Que entre más grande, más mejor. ¿Verdad? Sí, tampoco.
No. 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 Get Richie. Go. No. ¿Ya no?
Ay, se hacen los bien obedientes.
It's okay.
Go, Lolo, get it. Get it, Lolo.
No. Get Richie.
Ay, sí.
¿Qué pedo contigo, chula? ¿Así es como me seduces o qué?
No. Ya nos vamos a dormir, guys. This guy, el chiquito, se tiene que dormir.
Ya se pasó mi hora de dormir.
Yes, sir.
So, vamos a decir buenas noches. Y nos vemos mañana.
Yes. Good night, you guys. We love you guys. We had so much fun today. But tomorrow is back to business with YouTube. So, así es que ojalá ustedes se la estén pasando bien esta semana. Y como dijo mi baby,
Y ya mañana es jueves, ya casi fin de semana.
I can't wait. But yeah. So, así es que buenas noches, mis amores. Los amamos. Bye. Bye.